Rick Sky here, back again with another YouTube tips tutorial. Now within this tutorial I'm going to step through how to make a really good YouTube short. Now in the most simplistic workflow, what one can do is film the short from their phone, iPhone or Android, and then upload directly to YouTube from the phone. But if you want to take things to the next level, you can do this. So what I've done, I've filmed a short, which that's when you hold the phone in what's called portrait mode. Instead of holding it to the side, you hold it to where it's tall and narrow. So I filmed that video clip and I've used AirDrop to send that video clip over to my Mac. Now I'm in Final Cut Pro 10. I'll create a new project and we'll just call this Grilling at the Appalachian Ocean. So it's obviously, as the name implies, it's going to be a video about grilling at the Appalachian Ocean. Not going to use custom settings. It's going to base the video format off of the clip, which, like I said, I filmed tall and narrow and portrait. So we'll click OK. Here's my downloaded clip that I airdropped over to my Mac. I'm going to send that over here. As you can see, it's vertical 2160 by 3840, which is basically like Ultra HD in a short format. I'm going to keep rendering on Apple ProRes 422, standard recording 709. Audio is stereo 48 kilohertz. Click OK. Now you would have the option to use the embedded audio, but for this I want to do something fancier. So I'm selecting the clip. I'll go to volume. I'll reduce the volume to 0. You could also strip out the audio that's recorded with the clip, but that's a few additional steps. We're going to keep it simple. So now we're going to go into Udio, which is, it'll take this short to the next level. Udio is AI, artificial intelligence based music creation. So what do I want? Do I want country? Do I want rap? Do I want pop? Do I want Caribbean? I don't know. Let's just go with country. So I'll say a country song about Chef Rick Sky grilling at the Appalachian Ocean. So I'm going to do that, and I can select the parameters here. I could do a longer duration clip. Shorts for YouTube max out at 60 seconds currently. So I'm just going to do a 30-second clip here. Do create, and this is generating the clip. Actually, it's going to generate 2. So we're going to let that generate, and so this one, it'll randomly generate the lyrics based upon the criteria that I provided, as you can see typed above. So we'll give this a moment to generate. While that generates, a few things you can do with your shorts within Final Cut Pro 10 is you could change the saturation if you need to. So you can go here to this saturation, and you can adjust. See, it's 0% right now, but if you go way up there, it kind of looks crazy. You go way down there, it's black and it's grayscale. So what you want to do is find the color that you want for the video. Like I said, that's too extreme, but I'm going to go to about right there. I think that looks good for what I want, 32% saturation boost. And then you'll see here within your Final Cut Pro 10, it's processing that. Well, that's running. We can go back to Udio here. We can see the Udio is ready. I'm going to go ahead and play this, see what this sounds like. We're not going to listen to the whole thing. We'll go ahead and download it. Within Udio, you can select download, MP3, which is an audio file that's compatible with Final Cut Pro 10. Do download, and boom. So it's downloaded that. Now we can go back into Final Cut Pro 10. We can drag this audio track to our short. And if you wanted to make it longer in Udio, you could extend the clip length. Let's just make this a 30-second short. So I've got the audio there. I'll do a trim and a blade on my clip. So when the soundtrack ends, the video ends as well. So let's go ahead and hit play here.
Ivory guy here in the Appalachian form. Smoke curls in the air like whispers from the sea, and the ocean breeze sings soft melody. At the Appalachian Ocean, where the waves meet the sky, brilliant dreams with a twinkle in the eye.
Okay, so now we've proofed it, we've adjusted the saturation. Again, we muted the audio from the original clip, so it's just got this AI generated music. Now we can do File, Send to Compressor. If you don't have compressor, if you've only got Final Cut Pro 10, I would highly encourage you to purchase compressor. And then you can do Add. I select Social Platforms 4K, click OK, and then Start Batch. And this will export the YouTube short that we just created that includes AI generated music. So if you want to take your YouTube short production quality to the next level, you can do this and you can make your short stand out on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube tip video. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my YouTube tips videos within my YouTube tips video playlist. And if you have any questions, comment below and I'll try to film a video response to your question or questions. And if you really found this to be helpful, send me a super thanks. Not required, but you can click that super thanks button down below this video. It helps to support videos like this one and of course upcoming videos as well. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.